Hi guys, so while we got the carburetor off, what I wanted to show you was the reeds and how to check those. So if you kind of, actually I think that's upside down, but so right here, your carburetor is attached to this. Pull the carburetor out, pull it off. Now's a good time to check your reeds. So there are 4 bolts. I believe they are 10mm here, holding this thing on. Then mine was a little stuck. Come around here and show you. So when I first got in here, mine was just a little stuck. So I took just a putty knife, kind of got in between this and the engine block, just kind of pried, wiggled it, and ended up popping straight out. And this holds your reeds, and here they are. These actually look, let me go ahead and set you down. These look pretty good in all reality. So what you want to do is kind of look up inside, and specifically from the side. These things pull back, if you can see, and they should snap back into place and lay flat. These are doing a pretty good job. Sometimes you'll see them and they'll have like a little bit of a curl. Oh, let me show you. Sometimes you'll see them and they'll have like a little bit of a curl and they don't want to rest back flat. Well, sometimes that's okay. You can pull these screws off right here and actually take the reed and flip it upside down, and it'll rest for a little while. These guides are very important because they keep the reed from overextending. That's the most it can extend. If you change the reeds to maybe a more high performance reed, something that allows for a little bit more snappy performance, make sure you put those back on, because if not, your reeds within a few hours of riding will be ruined. It won't run right, won't idle right. So I wanted to make sure I checked this beforehand. These look good. So I am going to clean them, stick them in my ultrasonic, and then walk away, let it go. But I am going to clean it, just for the heck of it, and just reinstall, and good to go. Again, no gaskets, just some bolts, some screws. Remove them, take a look at what you got. If you have any broken ones, replace them. These do break, so you really don't want that flying in your engine. So every once in a while, preventative maintenance, take a look at it. But these look pretty good. I'm going to get them cleaned up, stick them back in the bike.